Hey guys, my name is Larry Dennis and I'm online. I want to talk to you about a company called UBC. Now, UBC is God sent. I've been online since 2009 doing affiliate marketing, social media marketing, all things, trying to learn how to brand myself, and I was always stuck. I reached a plateau. I didn't have really anybody help me, teach me how to do certain things. So I was kind of trying to figure things out on my own, going through countless hours of watching YouTube videos after YouTube video, taking vigorous notes, just in the end to be like getting very minimal results. I'm not gonna lie, I've been online for a long time. I've made sales, so I know how to sell to a stranger per se, turn a stranger that's cold into warm and become a lead. And I'm still friends with a lot of people that I've actually did some type of interaction with or transaction with online over the years. So it's amazing to know that I have that connection with them, but I reached a point where I need to level up. And luckily, for a friend of mine shared with me this amazing opportunity. She's like, "Yo, I have these friends. They're mine. They made this course. At the time, it was called MRR. That was the big thing a couple of years ago, and they recently changed to affiliate now." And it was the best thing they've done. And since I've been with them, I wasn't really taking the course serious. It's a very inexpensive amount to get started, but the information in there was so mind blowing and like I was overwhelmed that I never really took anything serious because it was just a lot of information. I didn't know where to start, but they tell you exactly where to start, how to start. I was just not in position to do it correctly. So what happened was they had launched a Black Friday crazy sale, never done before, $200 off. I was like, "What? This is crazy! I have to talk to everybody about this." So luckily, and the best part about UBC, one of many things I love, is they have the marketing plan down packed to the science, what to do, what to say, how to say it, like everything. These girls are experts in branding and all things marketing, and I just said, you know what, I'm gonna run with it. I see so many results of people, so many success stories. It makes no sense that I cannot succeed like them. So what I did was, I said, you know what? I ripped off the Band-Aid and I said, I'm going all in. So I started following day 1, day 2, day 3. I didn't even finish following all of the steps because I don't remember how many days it was, but there was a couple of days till the sale. But I followed the first couple of days. I piqued interest. And not only did I make my first sale, but I made 2 sales within the same day, within an hour. And I was mind blown. I was like, wow. I remember working a job, making this in 2 weeks, working 40 hours, and I made the same income in 1 hour. And it hit me like a ton of bricks in the wall. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the power of social media, branding, marketing, all things. Like, this is what it is. So when I'm seeing people having these crazy success stories, you just gotta keep going. And I've been loving it at UBC ever since. I talk to everybody about it. Everybody wants to get involved in social media. They want to brand themselves. They want to get paid on social media. They want to get monetized. They don't want to show their face. So we have faceless. We have everything you can think of, from faceless to branding, make ChatGPT sound human, TikTok information, Instagram. No matter what it is, no matter what platform, YouTube, anything, you can succeed with this opportunity, with the course. And they have a community like no other. For me, I'm a big guy on community. If I'm not aligned with the right people and if the vibe is not vibing for me, I just won't be into it. It's just what it is. It's an energy thing. And I tell you, these girls' energy is like top tier. So if you've been thinking about UBC, you're wondering, does it work? Is it worth it? Holla at me. I'll give you more information. I can break down more about what it does, what it has to offer you, show you some behind the scenes stuff, and I'm telling you, it's gonna blow your mind. If you're building a business online, or you're trying to start off online, or even if you're in network marketing and you wanna find ways to generate leads, generate sales, have a way to have like a system to help build your business. If people say no to your opportunity, at least you have something to offer in the back end. I highly suggest you look at UBC. All right, one love.